Final call for one.
搞掂啦 ，OK， 收工。嗱，其實睇多啲先。
你不要躺在那边，躺在那边东西，过来。OK。闲人。No problem。人就头。
放埋先至啊。
什么要杀什么等下吃对吧？
係Om Pet Lam Home。Om Pet Lam Home。嗰隻係 glue 嗰個 glue。
整個縫啦
嚇。真係冇咁好。
好溜干。好溜干啊！真想好多。
OK， OK 啦。有係咪？後面咧？嗰隻係頭呢個。你我冇再 glue 一 glue 佢。This one is the lotus, right?
Yeah.
There's a head, huh?
So just to recap for everybody who's watching, this is the 9-foot Manjushri Nagaraksha, which is being invited to Kechara Forest Retreat today in Bentong. And right now what they're doing is that they're sealing the tube that's going into the Manjushri Nagaraksha, and inside it is mantras and holy items and relics, precious substances. So this is the 9-foot statue, which is being invited to Kechara Forest Retreat today.
进，爬进去。
真的是要一个人进去里面顶一下，才能够进。
这样
很重。
啊，你可以进，你可以进你去。
出不来。
真的是要一个人半身顶住，他才能够走。我们现在他已经对不到位置了。
不能啊，太重了，他进去也没有用。
手可以拖一下。来，人这样子进半身这样子。啊，我进去我爬不出，你可以。
你可以顶住。
我可以这个位置。
他本身你在里面关起来了。
一个人要进去。半身。
Hi Alexios, welcome. Just to let you know, this Manjushri Nagaraksha, which is 9 foot, is the first of 3 statues that will be coming. Another 2 more very interesting statues of 2 pretty unusual deities. We are making statues of at the moment, and they will be arriving throughout the year.
没有，他已经垂下去了吗？一定要进去，因为快。
你叫我拿的。
下，给他搬进去，摔一下。
出了车边，
小心一点。
小心。
要不然手虚的可以。抓过去。
哇，尽量搬。
看住你的。
船的手心啊。
爬到船舱里面去再走。对呀。
你不看了，还没有
缺氧。
不会啦，不会啦。
他的专
哎
业。
呦，这专业。
哎，小心！
怎么回事？丹？OK 吗？
他真的是进去里面，
给他有光线，照点光给他。
加一点光。
在里面面都很近。
从呢邊就開燈啊！
你关了？
torchlight，
这个有光了吗？这个有灯吗？
沒有沒有。
没有啊。
可以用电话的。
随便一指来，随便一指。
这边那些会立嘛？
啊？
转不到。
Okay already, it's not okay.
这样子退出来的。
可以感動我。但是 OK 啊，30。
等一下，等一下。
得，
看不到。
出嚟。
等一下。
OK， 好。
等一下，等一下。
而家整個完成。
只是转就转给他送就可以了。1、2、3。
可是它厚到没有这样重这个东西，会不会？这个东西够力没有？嗯，是咯。我就跟他烧。
不要进到碗里，不要进到碗里，让它放在头上吐出来。
是咯，没有不平啊。
Thank you, Pastor Shin, for hosting that teaching again for Rinpoche.
好冷。
都卡住了，
这边有
上面卡住了。
有东西搞定。
这边呢，这边呢。
等等，所以有呢個喎。等等。
啊。OK。
再讲吸取就是
OK。Alright, push up. Because of this stuff. 还吗？
把你的头伸出来呼吸一下吗？来。
有这样子吗？给它扫一下，拿个布，拖一些空气，加2啊，一直打，一起拍，一起拍。
对，等一下。
不要打，来我们。
没有空气了，我留里面。
还有一點。
一點點。
同埋，I think the cover in the
上面这个。
不是它那个 top， I think the top one 啊 cover this one。唔係，從邊嘅攞出嚟先，成個攞出嚟先，成個攞出嚟。
出來了，還沒有空氣了，出來先，出來先。
兩天走開。
慢慢拿，慢慢拿。Slowly。慢點。
轉身先，轉身。
啊！你手這麼。
小心頭。
你手割到嗎？
沒有。
你手到，你割到啦？
因為這個
你割到啦？
可唔可以攞出嚟再睇一睇 ？Take out the stuff。我睇呢個頭嗰度。
這個拿掉就比較好。
因為這個是蓋。
喂，拿掉那個頭會移。
頭一搖的。蓋。
我看是因為那個頭那邊的，它這個蓋子啊，它頂到。拿出來先，拿出來先，我們這裡。
你不要進去先啊，等多一下先。
拿出來先。
一下子先回氣一下先。應該是那個蓋子那邊前面那個頭那邊。
什么什么？
拿个水先来啊，喝水喝水。
等一下通一下，通一下。
好了好了，对对对。
我睇係前面呢度頂到，因為係包咗一層。之前拉出嗰陣時係冇呢一層。我睇一睇嗰層。
應該唔會咁厚啊。呢個一層咁高。
可能會頂到。如果唔係冇可能會頂到，因為頭先攞出嗰陣時係啱啱好嘅。
頭先你聽，而家呢個啊，直接呢度好多唔停㗎，你接位佢嗰度有。
或者幫佢剪呢個唔喺底呢度啊，可以再幫佢剪斷。呢個可以剪嘅嘛，我哋可以剪斷。剪短嘅。啊，唔係3日嘅。
因為入邊冇人鬥嘅，就可能得。
卡下邊啫，啲啱嘅啲雙面卡。I think because the top one, we put the cap.
会吗会吗？打你会烧饭的吗？会啊。
你觉得应该用什么办法把它塞进去？
还加出来一点。
它是放到最后顶的是什么位置来的？它是剪的。
这边有一个尖尖的东西，在上面，如果是朝我过来，
过来一点。
可以移啊，这边可以移，因为上面那个加了一个头啊，可能那个东西顶着了，因为之前是没有那个感觉。剪短它点。
他讲要剪掉那个东西先，你等一下先，你回去一下先。
Some rough surface at the end. It got stuck.
one tip there.
What is the tip?
You can just sit inside.
Can we?
No shampoo.
So can we do that? Maybe you need a plank. Enough strength. A short plank maybe.
OK。这个重要吗？
哪个是好的？
Maybe we just cut like this. It should
Sorry? That one can. OK. Grinder.
grinder 啊，
可以冇啊？
唔使咁犀利啊！
Buster Albert 姗来迟。
这茶不是改名字，不是改名字啊，
Buster
叫珊珊。
Buster 姗。
拆开它再做好。
他把那个剪了。那不剪。
Where is the other pig? Isn't it?
Cầm呢個撳入去咯，唔係撳落去係咪？
嗰個冇嘢冚啊！
哦，呢個撳咗落係咪再撳翻落去咯？
No, you mean this one put in here like first, this one just fold like that lah.
啊，fold 哦 ，you don't to fold first.
No, this one cut, just put in so far. This one fold like.
Then better. Then this one cut 咯，cut shorter.
Cut quite round.
Tadi so hot.
Not easy to cut.
Quite easy to cut.
You can cut.
Để cắt cái. Để bóc lên ra đấy.
No,
Được tao.
this.
Xoa vô.
Anything that will be inside.
Chính cái
cut around here.
ai cho ai cho.
頭先你出邊一入，
你嗰度飲支水先啦，飲水先。
大家好咗我影響你。你等一等先，可能可以對唔對啦？已經 last call 了，last call you，last call，last call you。
没有在恢复了，
手可以，那边还可以复过这里，
还可以放啊。
你要放是丢去那个洞，
可以啊，
应该可以的，丢进去那个
刚刚執落嚟
丢那个
執個錢。
没欧也是需要帮忙放，
就是丢进去那个洞里面。
就是说他刚刚太粗了，
啊
说你帮他放。
还有刚刚在谁啊？
快点喽，快点喽！
就是这一个同样的咯。
啊，就塞进去喽。
还有谁？
谁要把孩子啊、老婆放进去的，老婆
自己要
放自己，
喝。
自己也可以。
刚才真年可以见到人了。
不可以啊，我们会塞住那边。
在那塞心吧。
他住在他不好意思哦，拿住了一个不好意思。
着急。
對，即係你們都要收工啦。
中香嗰時咪有人講話。
尖啊，以前。
手镯，
哦，咁揾到
手镯，
咁就揾到
手镯。
正门一个旁门，你要在一点点就到那个旁门，然后那个visitor。
Oops.
OK， 有一個問題，我驚佢
好位啊！
我驚佢會等間動上嚟嗰陣時，咪佢哋成個走出嚟啊！
我又去動上嚟嗰陣時已經坐住咗㗎啦嘛。
企直嗰陣時啊，
咁咪坐住呢個底咯。
我驚佢呢個唔夠穩。
夠穩啊！出邊嗰層。
你有嘢綁？
係兩粒螺絲，唔知夠唔夠喎？我哋冇燒焊機啊。
嗰度有一間啊，嗰度呢啲係銅嚟嘅喎。
有咩辦法？
呢個唔係鐵焊嚟嘅喎。
頭先你呢度實唔實啊？係呢個唔使，你推嗰陣時咪喺呢個位實唔實？如果喺呢個食到，放啲嘢棘住你俾實，攝嘢落去，俾實起嚟。
鐵片咯。片鐵。
頭先剪咗嗰種咩？
咁大隻啊！呢啲冇力住喎。
係咯。
我俾我鎖螺絲呢度啊，長啲冇。
呢個螺絲唔夠長。
呢啲係收塔冰啊，可以鎖入去咗嘅。
係，
收塔冰你啲唔使轉窿嘅。
我係驚佢呢個唔夠。
應該唔會捅出嚟㗎，
安全啲。今日食。
你呢個都係唔穩啦。
唔穩啊！
你綁唔到，睇人出嚟。
有咩辦法？佢呢個應該向入邊好啲，咁呢個食咁啲。呢下冇諗到呢一個咁嘅設計。螺絲啊！
呢個咪去打死康通啊！
係咯，少啲骨，先做呢個先，做簡單嘢。
呢個可以轉窿喎。
可以啊，點樣？呢度點樣？
呢度轉咗螺絲十
可以啊。我用到咩架撐？我哋嘅嗰個，我哋嘅電鑽就係。可以啊。
轉穿你喎。
可以啊，可以啊，你開佢。食住氣咯，嗬。仲好咯 ，OK 咯。
今朝做啲螺絲。
有一包喺嗰度，螺絲。
咁多都唔
好漏字。
它没有进到那洞。
咁多啲唔可以咁大嘅。
用手。
應該得啦，我知道點做嘅。
嘅，攞螺絲鎖住你，攞支長嘅螺絲，要睇下螺絲。如果把我看一把螺絲，One back there, there's one bit, the bigger one.
So 这个这样转卖我。
收台冰不用装的。啊，你收台冰。
哇，可以进来。 上才变得轻了吗？不然他不是叫你看他的头好像那个。
哎，拿来，那个转的那个，
哪个？
那一路星。不过它的电池没有什么力啊。
烂吗？
换一个有力的，电的也有，好电的。
好电的，这个泡没有力啊。
我呢粒試下。我呢粒電視。
呢個我哋地區嘅。
这是跑电的。
我看先钻一个洞先。
它并不是那个。
多快！拿那个钻来。
我放幾次螺絲頂住嘅。
轉咗一個先啦。
力没有力啊。它电力不够。
最起码你有个小洞，它就比较容易。
小吃不加糖。
都已经没有太阳了。
啊。
手都頂咗喎。
唔攞手，我換下人路。
冇頂到嘅，唔夠尖啊！呢個夠尖好快。
要收魚餅。谁是那个鱼饼？那个是 triple， 还有 base 啊。其實你打一支喺度，我睇好。
你夠嚟好快，唔夠嚟死嘅。
散啲。 直接进那个不是还更知道力哦？
是啊，那个是啊，
不是啊，
它飙上来的时候啊，它会按到这里。
不是哦，我是讲这个过去的时候，然后这边一滴，这边一滴啊，锁在这个铁的这边。
哦，这样子也可以。
也是可以啊，这个也是可以啊，因为这个也是不错啊，这个
双重啊，双重，
这个方式也不错啊，这个方式。
谁左手有力的？
左手的地方。我试一下。
还好今天人多。有这么多
借力
在水，
可以借力，可以借力。
我们就是啦啦队，风波嘛。
广播
啊，没关系的。
还有声音效果。
啊？进到里面了啊！没啊，有的还是要拿那个砖子。
Okay, just to recap, today we are inviting a 9-foot Nagarakshasa statue to Kechara Forest Retreat. At the moment, they are working on sealing the statue so that the mantras that have been put inside do not shift when the statue is raised so that it is upright. And once the statue has been prepared, then this crane, this very big crane over here, will lift up Manjushri and invite him, escort him onto this pedestal over here. So as you can see on this pedestal over here, it's made out of stone and cement, and on the left there is a small grotto, and this grotto is built to be fireproof so that when people come up here to pay their respects to Manjushri Nagaraksha, they can offer candles, and if the candles happen to spill. So as I was saying earlier, the reason why the grotto is made out of stone is so that when people offer candles, if the candles are knocked over or the wax blows the wind blows the wax, the grotto will remain fireproof and safe, nothing will burn. And Rinpoche was inspired to make these grottos to allow people to make candle offerings safely when Rinpoche was traveling in the United States 2 or 3 years ago. So the volunteers here, led by Paul, have just been working for the last half an hour on sealing the statue, making sure that everything is fits and it doesn't move when the statue is raised upright. So before we start sealing Manjushri Nagarakshasa, I'll just show you guys another look at the statue. It's 9 feet tall, and it's the first of 3 very interesting deity statues that we will be inviting to Kechara Forest Retreat over the next year. And if you guys scroll up, Pastor Shin had earlier posted a short teaching from Rinpoche about the benefits of Manjushri Nagaraksha practice as well as his mantra. So in the blue shirt is Leonard Chia. He's the head of department for Kechara Paradise, Kechara Oasis and Kechara Discovery. And he's here with Steven in the red shirt from Kechara House Johor Bahru, our study group in Johor Bahru, which is the southernmost state in Malaysia. And they are now sealing the Manjushri Nagaraksha statue.
Oh，来，这边。
餐该是什么？很有力。
蛋吃素。
是素的啊，
蛋有力，很有力。
阿蛋冇得頂。
阿蛋啊，好彩今天够。
有记人呢。
好彩他今天。
是。
有经验嘛？
他有来是有原因的，今天。
哇，真的是有经验。
是假的，是真的。
真的假的？
是真的。
我看再来了，反正这样容易噻。
我把整个
我就推进去一个你啊。
我把整个推进去的。
在哪里？
应该是下面的。
有吗？下面没有嘞。
好像没有。
沒有。
啊？
下面沒有啊？
有一隻。他在我塞兩隻度的嘛。一定有的，不過我怕它會很進去。所以這樣你一拉，它就是。
旁邊了，看旁邊多一隻。
旁邊多一隻啊，
這邊比較安全。這邊啊。
哇，不能啊！看白燈都不可以。Good.
Oh, okay. 上 silicon。
So everything is sealed up very well because in our weather here, which is very humid, it's not good to let the bugs in so that the items inside rot. So we seal it very well and put a lot of mothballs inside to protect the holy items that have gone into the statue to bless it.
Yes, ma'am. So, 上次剛才我都有點弄有點怕。
你可以直頭行埋下邊開。
听不到了吗？你刚才？
旁边那个三脚里面的是很顶了，
應該很掂啊！勁啊！
沒問題。
掂到碌整得似啊！整得似啊！
整得似，整得似。
兴奋的一刻终于来临了。
All nicely sealed up now. Okay, so shortly we will be raising the statue so that it will be upright. Move back so you guys can see the size of the statue compared to people. This statue is 9 feet. So it's smaller than our Dorje Shugden statue, which is 25 feet. And our Dorje Shugden statue in Wisdom Hall is the largest one in the world. But this Manjushri Nagaraksha is 9 feet. So everyone's preparing to raise the statue up right now.
边那个因为它这个旁边会打到。这个地方，差一点。Okay, so we need all the 中南中丁攞4個釘，然後幫呢個 canopy 移翻過去嗰度。
中南中丁啊！
女強人都可以嘅，我哋歡迎。中南中丁，女強人都可以㗎。女強人，小朋友都看到你。係啊，係咪啊？好，没有，大家好啊。OK， 1、2、3，好，可以再好似會打到。那邊可以過冬眠。
没有味了。
If you guys think it looks good when it's lying down, wait till it's upright.
都要中南中丁到呢一個。這個不用移，這個3個腳。
Give you guys a close up of the green face.
一點點哦。OK，
可以綁啊，嗰個。
I'm going to move my position because the crane is going to get into position to lift the statue upright. Just bear with me for a second. Guys have just joined us, sorry about the noise. We are currently clearing the space so that the crane can lift Manjushri Nagarakshasa upright. So it's currently 3:15 p.m. here in Kechara Forest Retreat in Bentong, Malaysia, and the team have been here since Manjushri Nagarakshasa arrived at 9 a.m. this morning. So if you're just joining us now, they've just finished sealing the statue. They've put in a lot of mantras and holy items inside, and they sealed it very well with silicone, so that with plenty of mothballs, so that nothing nothing corrodes or erodes due to the humidity, the very, very humid weather here in Malaysia. At the moment, they are preparing the statue to be raised upright. So everything was done by our own people. The statue was made by our own people who oversaw the entire process, and they received the teachings on the iconography from our guru Tsem Rinpoche. Even filling the statue, making sure that the statue has the appropriate items, appropriate blessed items inside. That's also been done according to tradition. And we are getting closer to the time when we can invite Manjushri Nagarakshasa to the pedestal that has been built for him. Actually, in this video, you'll see people from many different departments coming together to make this project happen. You've got people from Kechara Saraswati Arts, people from Kechara Discovery, Kechara Paradise. You've got people from Kechara in Motion filming it, filming this event. You've also got people from Tsem over here, which is our guru's private office. Yeah, they came from Johor Bahru, where we have a study group, and Johor Bahru is 4.5 hours drive away from Malaysia, from where we are right now. It's the southernmost state in Malaysia, Johor Bahru, and they come here for the monthly Doji Shukden Puja, and they stayed overnight to get involved and to volunteer to prepare Manjushri Nagarakshasa. Okay, over here we have a little girl. What's your name?
Janelle.
Say it louder.
My name is Janelle.
And what are you doing here?
Helping.
You're helping? Okay. And I think your papa works in Kechara Forest Retreat.
Tsem Ladrang.
Where does he work?
Tsem Ladrang.
Okay. So on the weekdays when papa's working in Tsem Ladrang, what do you do?
I stay in Tsem Ladrang.
And you help us, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Janelle. Okay, we're almost there. Just get a little closer, see what they're doing. Paul, what's the statue made of?
It's made of a brass, mixtures of brass and pewter. It's supposed to last for hundreds of years outdoor and won't go rust. This method is made traditionally like what the ancient China made the statues.
Thank you, Paul. Okay, hang on. Give me 1 second, I'm going to move out of the way so I don't get squashed. There's the crane. Okay, hang on. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. The crane is being moved into position now. Oh.
away from the statue.
So now that the statue has been lifted upright, they will be cleaning and polishing the back, just as they did with the front when it was lying down earlier. Get a close up for you guys. So from here you can basically see the size of the statue compared to people. So earlier the volunteers were cleaning the front and washing it down, and then after that they applied a wax to polish the statue and to protect it from the elements. And now they're doing the same thing for the back of the statue.
佢太重咗。哇！
我哋有英雄運動。大家借尾一下，借尾一下。有人放風料上去嗎？表演表演。嚇到怕。
在这边人家跌到很肮脏，人家头。
下来先啊，不是。这个还有这个不用。
它的
手都吸得到吗？用工作没有这个，没用过这个。它是 wax 先 wax 了，然后才用之后太多才给它换掉。哦，OK。
As you can see again, people are applying wax to the statue to polish it.
别放太多 wax。新来的朋友别放太多 wax。
哦，是。
不能做废水就直接放一点点，然后擦亮亮，再放一点点，擦亮亮。别放太多，你的废水不美的。
给我干的吗？给我来。
We have over here Janelle, who is, are you 10 or 11? 10. She's 10 years old, and she's helping to polish and apply wax to the Manjushri Nagarakshasa statue. And about to join her is Nyangking, who is Wine's son. Wine works in E Division and in Manjushri Hill. And Janelle's father, Victor, works in Tsem.
Okay.
So you see here Justin waxing and polishing the statue. I'm going to move back around to the front so you guys can see the detail of the statue. So the face is covered. Justin, say hi.
Oh, hi.
So it's now 3:40 p.m. in Malaysia at Kechara Forest Retreat in Bentong, Malaysia. And the team have been here since 9 a.m. preparing the statue when the statue first arrived.
下面那个把它移开来之后才起飞啊。
Karen has been here since 10, 11 a.m. helping to prepare the statue. Move back around to the front so you guys can see again. Sorry about that. And we're back. I should just stop trying to go to the front of the statue because each time I go, the signal gets cut. We'll just wait till the statue turns around. We're almost done and almost ready to lift the statue and invite the Manjushri to the pedestal that has been constructed for him.
功德是要谈的，
贪得无厌，
逃掉了，
没有那处理没有虽然会生的，贪得无厌啊，功德。啊，咱现在用长一点的，太短了，这个真的是臭啊，后面洗不到啊。
有一层下来，
对，很多灰尘哎。
哇，很多灰尘。嘉宾好，嘉宾。下次再叫你来。
这个那个，
你要弄干净了才可以骂下面，不然它上面一涮，就给我下来。
So from here you guys can see the perspective of the size of the statue compared to people. And these are all the volunteers who've been here since this morning, helping out in various capacities. Some went to buy cold drinks for everyone, some have been filming, some people have been helping to clean the statue, Some people help to fill the statue with holy items. There are people here from various departments. The gentleman in blue is from Kechara Paradise and Kechara Discovery. JP there with the cap and the sunglasses and the American flag on his shirt. He's from Tsem and he helped to build the pedestal that Manjushri will soon be resting on. And he's speaking with Nicholas Yu. Nicholas is from the Kechara Forest Retreat team. Paul is over there in the light blue cat discussing with the crane operator how we're going to move and lift the statue into place. Big crane. So as I was explaining earlier, if you've just joined us, this Manjushri Nagarakshasa is the first of 3 very exciting statues that are soon to arrive in KFR throughout the year. I won't reveal the identities of the other 2 statues yet, but safe to say they are pretty unusual. If you guys would like to get involved with the production of the other 2 statues, you can always leave a message, send a message to this Facebook fan page or to the Kechara Facebook fan page asking for more information. Let's go over here. Hello Justin.
Hello.
From Kechara Soup Kitchen.
Yes, I am here again after the lunch.
How do you feel about being able to help out?
Really great. While cleaning up, we noticed there are some edges that is like unpenetratable due to the gap. So we bought some brushes that we think could help to go through all these edges.
The cracks?
Yeah, the cracks, the what they call it, some of the edges behind the statues or that. So Rinpoche always teaches us how to be carrying, how to be doing it efficiently. So we have to improvise this. So this is also, I think, Dharma. Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah, it worked. It worked. A lot of dust came out, so we are very happy about it. Yeah.
So what are your plans after this? What are you guys going to do after this?
Initially, we didn't have any plans here. We were thinking of going down to the soup kitchen in Imbi straight away. Yeah, we decided to stay back for this after it's being installed, everything. After the statue being invited over this place, then we will head down to the soup kitchen to prepare food and go down on the streets to help the homeless people.
So today is Saturday, so you'll be doing a Saturday night rounds, the famous Saturday night rounds.
Correct.
And how many people do you estimate you'll be helping tonight?
For tonight, we have prepared about 800 over packets, anticipating the crowd that we will see in 3-4 places in town. So apart from the static distribution point, we are also heading to different directions. 10 directions, yeah, coincidentally. 10 different directions at the same time. Yeah, with probably approximately about 100 volunteers coming tonight.
Cool. And how many volunteers did you bring here today?
I have a few of us, 6 are from JB actually. Okay. They were meant to be in JB, but they came here for the puja and everything. So I'm very happy to bring them here to see for themselves what is this all about, you know, the Kechara headquarters. And they are very excited at the same time heading down onto the streets tonight with us, doing similar things but different place.
Okay, alright.
Thank you.
So they're quite lucky
to
be able to do
very
this.
Lucky, and you can
Now
see they're like having their time. I actually asked them to stop already, but they keep on doing. So
okay. Thanks, Justin.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
JB
So people say that it takes a village to raise a child, and over here it takes a Dharma center to invite and erect a statue. There is a collaboration of many different departments and volunteers taking place right now to make this possible. So departments like Kechara Paradise and Kechara Discovery were directly involved in the production of the statue, and then you have departments like Kechara Saraswati Arts who were directly involved with the filling of the statue and preparing it to be consecrated. And then you've got volunteers from other departments like Kechara in Motion who are taking pictures and making a record of this historic event. And you also have volunteers from Kechara Soup Kitchen who were on their way down to join soup distribution rounds and decided to stay back for a little while, delay their journey for a little while to assist in this, and then they'll be going down to join the rounds tonight. And you've also got like, let's see, child volunteers like Liang Jing and Janelle who are 10, 12, and they've been here all afternoon helping out as well.
Anyone who needs drinks can actually get drinks from the box. Kindly sponsored by Irene Leong from KSK TV.
Thank you, Irene.
Irene, can you show your face?
Who's Irene?
There's Irene. Yeah.
Thank you, Irene.
So as I mentioned earlier, this is not the last statue that is being invited to Kechara Forest Retreat. We will be having 2 more at least coming this year. And if you would like to get involved and raising funds for the statues, or being around when the statue arrives so that you can help and get involved and do what you see the volunteers here are doing, please send a message to the Kechara Facebook fan page or to It's a very nice sunny day. Hasn't rained a drop today. No drizzle.
See how good it works. The brushes, all that edges, right? 这个呢？你这个手指里面
没有啦，没有啦。
就
我上了。
连那个手啊、手指啊，那种地方。
不要放太多啊，你们。
前面好几秒的。
Pastor Shin, if you can hear this, please repost Rinpoche's short teaching on this Facebook live video explaining the benefits of Manjushri Nagarakshasa. Thank you.
好了，好了，好多了。
可以吃。
就不放那个手，你们放好的时候不要再放，然后一上那个布。
好。
用干净的了，用干的，
给它晾哦。
下面的不要再放了，过了一层了。太过多了。
100包，200包。
阿nanny攞嘢翻去火火嘅嘛。
Oh, stop on. Oh, we're here and we're talking about Manjushri.
Yes.
I heard that you guys are planning a pilgrimage to Wu Tai Shan.
Yes, we are.
Do you want to give us some more details about it?
Okay, Wu Tai Shan, they say is the what do you call it? The home of Manjushri. Is a holy site for Manjushri, and there are about 149 temples in Wu Tai Shan, this area alone. So we are going. There are 5 peaks. Each peak has got different form of Manjushri residing there. So we are going there to make a pilgrimage trip to feel the energy and hopefully to get the blessing from Manjushri itself.
And when is this pilgrimage trip?
We are going on a 7 days pilgrimage starting from 12th to 18th.
August?
Or September, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. And are there any more spaces left on this pilgrimage?
No. is it's a trip that a lot of people are looking forward to. So the minute that we announce, is already taken up on the 6th. But we are going to organize another one maybe next year.
Okay, so if people are interested to get more information about the next pilgrimage, who can they contact, or where can they look for more information?
They can look for more information on Kechara fan page. They can leave a message there, and the message would arrive to the right person who is handling this project.
Okay, alright. Thank you, Sok Wan.
You're welcome.
JP, are we?
No, we're still waiting for a little bit of touch-up.
JP?
Yes?
Do you want to tell us a little bit more about the project you're working on while we're waiting for Nani to come and touch up the statue?
Okay.
Why are you wiping your mouth like that?
After the statue is up, we'll continue with the pedestal. As you can see, it's cladded with rocks, so we'll finish up. At the same time, we'll be doing landscaping this coming week to the landscaping will be an offering to Manjushri Nagarakshasa. Then subsequently there'll be other 9 feet Buddha statues which we'll announce closer to the day. So look out for it.
And I heard that Tsem has some opportunities for people to make offerings.
Oh yes, for those of you who have not engaged, if you have not engaged on the Butterlamp retreat, we do have a facility in our Butterlamp house where you can do your 100,000 Butterlamp retreat with us. It's for every candle or every Butterlamp that you light a day per month is 100 ringgit. So if you want 2 candles a day for then it's 200 per month, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested, either give myself a call or you can contact us via Facebook, or you can contact Victor directly, Victor Choi.
Okay. And what about this upcoming Ulaanbaatar festival?
Ulaanbaatar festival is on the 27th of this month, and this is what we call the Hungry Ghost Festival. So for those of you who would like to make offerings, we have a lot of packages. Look out for it on Facebook under Kechara fan page called Ulaanbaatar Festival. Any questions, please contact our front desk.
Thank you, JP.
Thank you.
越讲慢了，需要讲话，得一直讲话。
要求要多一点点，摆在家。现在只是这里了。这个亮了，这个没有亮。梁静和我们不去一人做一个亮的，来 Q 一下这边。没有 QC， 我只是这样子看的吗？因为你在这里看得到。啊，对，这样这个不会亮。哦，是哦，这边全部 OK 啊？这边全部 OK。应该说问阿婆。我看一下。
好像比较亮了哦。
比较，这个是够不够？
还可以再。
还可以再更好。
要用布了哦。
不是把那个肮脏玻璃掉吗？
不可以用那个玻璃刀，这个是 wax 的。
哦，给一个保护层这样子啊。
不是不要脏，肮脏。
而且它只是一下子嘛，它其实是因为这边弄的美丽，觉得很开心。
Okay guys, thank you for watching. We're gonna take a little break because at the moment it's just polishing. We're waiting for one of our Kechara Forest Arts staff members to get back with some paint to do some minor touch-ups on the statue before we invite Manjushri Nagarakshasa to his pedestal, to the platform that has been built for him. So we'll be back in about 30 minutes and half an hour. So please keep your eyes peeled to Rinpoche's Facebook fan page for more information. Thank you very much for watching. What you are looking at now is the back of the 9-foot Manjushri Nagarakshasa statue that has just arrived in Kechara Forest Retreat in Bentong, Malaysia today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in half an hour.